Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am gonna show how to make 3D product animation with Cinema 4D and After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, after finish video, I will share all project files for download. For example, I will use this image file. Okay, let's click this icon and go to right view. And select this spline pen and let's make like this. Okay, and okay, not bad. Okay, so let's click Esc and click Move Tool. Then go to here, hold this icon, and let's select this LUT. And select this spline. Let's move the inside LUT. Okay, and click this icon. Let's go to perspective. Okay, so in this time, select this spline and let's select this point and move to left. Nice. Okay, then select this point. Let's right mouse, go to select chamfer. Let's make smooth line. Okay. And let's make smooth here. Let's select move tool and select this point. Let's right mouse, again chamfer, make smooth like this. Okay, and click move tool. Let's select this. Let's try move to right. Let's hold shift, also select this point and move to right. Okay, select this point, move to down and left, and select this point. Let's move to left and move to up. Okay, not bad. Let's see image again. Okay, let's make this part. Go to here, let's hold this icon. Let's create new cylinder. Move to up and change size like this. Let's go to display, enable shading lines and move to here. Okay, let's select this spline and let's again select this point and move right. Let's Ctrl Z. Let's close this cylinder. Also select this point, move to right and move to down. Let's select this point, move to down. Okay, nice. Okay, so let's select this cylinder, let's enable and move to down. Let's change size like this. Okay, and change segments. Change these rotating segments. Nice. Change height segments 0. Okay, so let's select cylinder and hold Ctrl. Let's move to up for duplicate this cylinder and change size like this and this height. Move the inside like this. Okay, not bad. So in this time, let's select the cylinder and go to click this icon for make editable and select this icon for select edge and right mouse. Let's select loop path cut and add one path here. Okay, and one here, also one here and here. Okay, let's click move tool and hold shift, double click this line for select all lines, and right mouse, bevel. Let's make bevel like this, and change subdivision here for smooth. Okay, nice. Click move tool and select again these lines, hold shift and double click here for select all lines, and again right mouse and bevel. Let's make smooth like this. Okay, not bad. So click move tool and select this cylinder 1. Let's click this icon for make editable, and right mouse, first one, select this icon for select edge, and right mouse, select loop path cut. Let's add one here and here. Let's Ctrl Z, click here, nice. Click move tool and let's hold shift and double click here for select all lines, and right mouse, bevel. Let's make smooth like this. Okay, not bad. Click move tool and click this icon for model. Okay. So let's select it again, spline, and select this icon for select points, and let's select this point and this point, move to up, and select this point, move to left. Okay, not bad. So in this time, let's select this point, right mouse and chamfer. Let's make smooth like this. Okay, very nice. Okay, so let's click move tool and click this icon for model. Nice. And in this time, select this latte and go to click this make editable. And let's select this icon, right mouse, select loop path cut. Let's add one here and one here. Let's Ctrl Z, one here and one here. Okay, so let's click this icon and select move tool. Okay, let's first one click this icon for go to material, and let's create new material. Okay, let's select random color. Let's use for this object. Okay, and select these parts. Okay, and let's create new material. Select random color like this, and let's use for these selection parts. Okay, nice. And let's click this icon for model. Then let's create again new two materials, and select this material, change random color, and let's use for this part, and select this material, select random color, let's use for this part. Let's go to display and select gradient shading. Okay, not bad. Let's see. Okay, nice. So let's select this and go to display, select these shading lines, and again let's select this icon, select these faces. Okay, so and in this time Let's click scale tool. Let's change scale like this and click move tool. Let's right mouse and extrude. Let's extrude outside like this. Okay, nice. Click selection tool and click model. Nice. Let's click display and select gradient shading. Okay, we have problem with these parts. Let's go to here, hold this icon, select this subdivision surface and select this letter. Let's move to inside subdivision surface. Okay, not bad. Select this subdivision and let's change 3 or 4. Let's try 5. Okay, that's good. So our modeling is done and let's go to After Effects. For After Effects, I want to export this 3D model. Let's go to File and let's save project. Go to Desktop and click for create new folder and add name product. Open folder and let's add here name product 3D. Okay, click save. Nice. Let's open After Effects. So friends, let's create new composition. Right mouse, new composition and add name product and click OK. Let's create new solid layer. Right mouse, new and solid, add name element 3D. So I will use element 3D for this animation. Let's select this layer and go to FX, video copilot and element. Then go to scene setup and click import for importing our 3D model. Okay, so let's select this product and this is Cinema 4D file and click open. Again, click OK. Okay, nice. So, but we have problem with these faces. Let's move to up and select this product. Let's go to here and click optimize mesh. Okay, and invert normals. Nice. Then let's open here, select every materials, select this material and go to down. Let's click this checkbox drop back face and select this material and click this checkbox and material 2. This is pink material and click again this drop back face checkbox and material 3. Again click here. Nice. So let's go to presets. Let's open folder physical. Let's use black glass for this material. Nice. And let's select black glass. Change diffuse color to brown. Okay, and change glossiness. And let's use black glass for this and for this. Again, select these materials and go to here, click this checkbox and select this, click this checkbox. Okay, not bad. And let's open environment. Let's use environment like this. Okay, that's good. So let's click OK and let's create new camera. Right mouse, new and camera. Click OK here. Let's go to these icons, camera controls. I will use press C in the keyboard. Okay, nice, not bad. So we have problem with these faces, but this is not big problem. We can fix this with Cinema 4D. So let's go to project and let's create new composition. Add name texture. Click OK. And let's create new solid layer. Add the name background. Click OK. Go to FX preset. Search effect gradient ramp. Let's use gradient ramp for this background and change black color to pink. Okay, and back to project. Go to project here. Let's select this texture, move the inside main composition and hide. Then select this element 3D. Go to FX control, open custom layers and open custom texture maps. Let's select this texture. Go to scene setup and select this material. Then click non-set. Let's click this icon and select this custom layer 1. Click OK. Then let's select this product and change UV mapping box. Click OK and back to texture. Let's add sample name. Okay, not bad. So let's see. Okay, very nice. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.